Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Hero. Today we are going to discuss here importance of key management in cybersecurity. What is the key management and what's its importance? So let's start. Giving a small introduction to the key management. Key management is the process of creating, storing, distributing, protecting and destroying cryptographic keys. It is one of the most critical parts of cybersecurity because strong encryption is useless if keys are stolen. There are some essential processes here. Handling cryptographic keys effectively is crucial. Importance of security. Protecting information. Secure key practice safeguard sensitive data. Why key management is important? Let's see that. First, prevention unauthorized access. Key management prevents unauthorized access to encrypted data. Safeguarding CI trade. It safeguards confidentiality, integrity, and availability. If you are not aware of this CI trade, what does it mean? I have made a dedicated video for this CI trade. You can go and check that video. Now, impacts of compromised keys. Compromised keys can expose sensitive information such as bank customer database. For example, if a bank encrypts key leaks, all consumer data is exposed. Moving towards the lifecycle management, first stage key generation, where creating strong keys uses cryptographic algorithm. Second stage key distribution, securely delivering keys to the authorized users and devices. And key storage. Keys are used for encryption, decryption, for authentication. Most important set. Then key usage. Keys are used here for encryption and decryption, authentication. Key rotation. Keys replaced periodically to reduce risk. Key revocation. Invalid, compromised or expired keys in simple words. Key destruction. It is properly removing keys to the prevent recovery. Good life cycle management minus reduce the risk of attacks. Key distribution techniques. First one is symmetric key distribution. Then we will see challenges and asymmetric key distribution. Symmetric key distribution. Both parties must share the same secret key. Some main methods here: secure physical transfer, example USB handover. Another one, encrypted key exchange over the network. Key distribution centers, KDCs like Kerberos. What are the weakness here? Hard to distribute securely over a large network. Asymmetric key distribution uses public key cryptography, public key for shared openly, private keys stored securely. Use it in SSLs, TLS, certified based secure systems. Solution to large systems, symmetric key problems. Challenge is difficult to manage key distribution as number of users increases. Key management system, KMS. Tools that automate secure handling of keys, AWS KMS. Azure Key Vault, Google Cloud KMS. Some hardware security models. The main features it provides that are access control, auditing, automatic rotation, backup recovery. Key protection methods. What are the methods here? First one, encrypting keys. Main purpose is to prevent the key theft. HSM, hardware security model. The main purpose of this is to store keys in a tamper-proof hardware. Then the third is implementing multi-factor access and isolating keys. Keeps keys different separately for a different system. What are the challenges? Key management challenges. First one is securing keys, secure backups, key destruction assurance, user key management, preventing insider theft. These are the main challenges for key management. Importance of key management cryptography as for cycle, key generation, secure distribution, key storage, key rotation, and key restriction lost. This was what key management. Let's summarize it. Key management ensuring that cryptographic systems remain secure by generating strong keys, securely destroying and storing them, periodically rotating and destroying them. Even the strongest encryption fails if keys are mishandled. So, if you learned something new today, please hit that subscribe button and share with your friends as much as you can. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.